everyone, it's me, Sadrina, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Five Below because I heard that there's a bunch of new self-care dupes here for Drunk Elephant, Byoma, and for Bubble. And I'm excited because I haven't seen a whole bunch of great dupes in a while, especially at Five Below. So let's head into the store and see what we can find. Alright, I found the section with the Amora line, but guys, this is basically already gone. Everyone came and took them, but let's see what this store has in stock. We have the Amora and Danny Beauty line, or what's left I should say. This is the Danny Beauty toner, Tone It Up. You can actually see the resemblance between this and the Bubble products. We also have this cleanser here. I love these colors and the packaging in general. Very aesthetic, very preppy. This last one is a purifying clay mask. So sad, guys. Look at all the other products that we didn't get to see here. I will go to another Five Below to find them though. Okay, down here at the Amora line, let's see. This is actually supposed to be an alternative for Byoma. These are all $5. We have a One More Day dry shampoo, absorbs excess oil and refreshes hair. Super cute. Look how tiny it is. Ooh, what is this? We have sheet masks, two different kinds. So this first one is Illuminate and Shine. It comes with 5 sheets. This is hefty. I wonder how thick these sheet masks are. Papaya and vitamin C. And this next one has tea tree oil and is skin soothing, skin clarifying glow sheet mask. And then the last product that I see here is a skin smoothing body cream, coconut oil, shea butter, and it's moisturizing, everything you'd want. It's actually sealed, but I could still smell it, and also it comes with a spoon inside. Ooh, look at this. This is only $1.50, or is it $3? Oh, I guess these peelers candy are $1.50. Okay, Wish hand sanitizer. These are the sprays. This is a dupe for the Touchland spray hand sanitizer. Okay, let me see the different scents they have. Cucumber melon, pineapple dream, island coconut. I'm surprised they don't have a pink one, or they do? Ooh. I guess people were just snatching them up. Watermelon sugar. But okay, $3. The original is $10, I believe. So this is a great deal if it works well. Ooh, yes. Okay, I didn't think I would see these here. These are the Drunk Elephant dupes, I believe, by Danny Beauty. Oh, a body scrub. Who did this? It's clear inside. Let's scent test. Oh my gosh, it smells like a strong watermelon candy. I don't know, that's kind of a little too much maybe, but it smells good. We also have a grapefruit glycolic body lotion. Love the packaging, so cutesy. This is exfoliating too. What?
Maybe I should get this.
Is it a makeup bag? Oh, cosmetic bag. I love this dewy face toner mist. This is really nice. Watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid. I love when toners come in a spray bottle because it's just so much easier to put on and you don't have to worry about having an applicator. These are a bunch of random makeup products that I haven't seen at Five Below before. LA Colors we've seen. Looks like they have new lip balms. So cute. Sheer Butter Balm. You know every makeup brand is coming out with a butter balm or lip balm of some sort because it's just so popular. I like this shade right here. Okay, their fake nails are even getting better. These ice globes are so cute. Look how they're shaped. We have a heart ice globe and a cloud ice globe. These would make a great gifts for somebody. Do they have any other shapes? Oh. Okay, we have the OG. This is a green to pink colorway. I think someone actually misplaced them because I see more here. Ice molds. Remember when these were so popular? Now nobody is talking about these. You know what? I usually just make my own DIY ice mold at home, but this is cute and aesthetic to have too. I love the purple. Face roller with globe. Okay, this is a 2-in-1, dual-ended. One side is a face roller. I feel like it kind of exfoliate. And then we have the smooth face globe. I'm just checking out all the self-care, guys. This store is actually pretty loaded. I wish that other side with all the dupes was stocked up, but I'm pretty sure we'll find more. Back from the first Five Below, my mom actually ended up getting the LA Times. What is it? LA Times. LA Girl.
LA Times.
Yup, LA Times. She ended up getting this LA Girl lip balm. This is the pink one. This is a lighter pink than we expected though. And why is the applicator so long? Please, I did not expect that. But look at the color. $1.50.
$3.
$3? Well, you know, if Summer Fridays is 24 bucks, this is nothing. Well, next Five Below, let's see what this is about. Wah, wah, wah. This is really popular. So like these just came out early January and you can already see everyone loves them. I see some more Drunk Elephant dupes though, so that's great. I already showed you guys this, but they have a watermelon whipped body lotion. Okay, so what's the difference? This whipped one, yeah, it definitely feels thicker in here. Ooh, why is this sticky? Hydro Jelly Cleanser. Purify and hydrate. Hyaluronic acid. Glacier water. This is so pretty. We love the aesthetic. You can definitely tell that they're kind of mimicking Drunk Elephant with this. I mean, all of these. This literally looks just like Byoma. I already showed you guys this. They're a little more stocked up here. You can't tell me that doesn't look just like Bubble. Treat on the Bright Side Brightening Face Serum. Blueberry extract and vitamin C. This is interesting. I didn't expect it to just be open like this. It's not a spray. It's not a pump. Just kind of like this. It's kind of unfortunate where they put this section because the light is coming in and making everything look weird. Okay, I'm gonna try to go over everything that is not here because I know all of the dupes that I was supposed to find. Starting off with the Amora line, that is an alternative for Byoma. They had a lip mask. I think it might have been these tiny spots over here. So sad. You know how I love my lip products and they don't have the lip mask. There's a makeup remover cleanser, and I'll show you guys a picture on the screen if I can find some. An eye cream, a glow serum, hair wax stick, which is so cool because that's so perfect for slick backs or if you want to gel down a wig, any kind of hair. Brightening skin serum, brow and lash serum. I think it's supposed to grow your brows and lashes, which is really nice. I think I showed you guys the clarifying toner at the last store. Glow cleanser, body cream and face cream. This is the Danny Beauty Breathy line, and this is the alternative for Bubble. They did have a cleanser over here. Oh my gosh. One that I really wish I could have found for you guys were the bronzer drops, because that's also like a Drunk Elephant dupe and it was so big too. I'll show you guys what is missing from here. The face moisturizer, the face cleanser, but you guys have almost seen everything in this line. Okay, I'm just gonna continue to tell you guys all the alternatives here because the lighting was terrible over there. And also a lot of people were checking out the dupes. Don't mind the camera being slanted. I just put you guys somewhere random. But the Danny Beauty Luxe set that actually mimics Drunk Elephant, and they had the bronzer, like the bronzer drops, and it was big too. The size of the product is bigger than the Drunk Elephant bronzer drops, and it's a lot cheaper. I don't know if it works the same. There was also a morning and night lotion with a pump dispenser. I think that one's for the face. I'm not fully sure though. I wish I could have seen it in person. Glow serum and face toner mist. Did I show you guys that? I don't know. But basically everything that I didn't get to show you guys in the store, I'll put on the screen if I can find it. Well, like this video and comment down below if you want me to come to Five Below again another day when they're hopefully fully stocked up. Is this the ultimate Drunk Elephant dupe? Because it has a liquid highlighter, bronzer, and blush. But every time I say that, people disagree. It kind of gives a little bit. You can't lie. This is just a everything total hydration kit. But that's cute, actually. Lip sleeping mask, lip oil, plumping primer. Wait a minute. So now we need plumping for your whole face? Setting spray, highlighter stick. We need to just stop at the plumping lip balms and lip glosses. What's happening? Alright everyone, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We actually found a bunch of great things at these two Five Belows. I wanted to find more, but like I said, like and comment if you want me to try again and see if they have them in stock. Make sure to subscribe down below, share this video, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.